Bollywood couples who have no children after marriage. Sonam Kapoor and Anand Ahuja. Bollywood diva Sonam got hitched with her businessman boyfriend Anand Ahuja on 8th May 2018. This lovely couple have completed 2 years of their marriage. Both are now busy with their careers and business, and for this reason, they haven't planned for any child yet. Bipasha Basu and Karan Singh Grover. This hottest couple got married on 30th April 2016, even after 4 years of their marriage. This couple decided not to become parents. This cute couple loves babies, but Karan and Bipasha want to spend more times with each other before having child. Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli. Last year, this celebrity couple celebrated their 3rd anniversary on 11th December. This adorable couple hasn't declared any good news yet. Vidya Balan and Siddharth Roy Kapoor. Vidya gets irritated when she is asked about her own motherhood. This independent and bold actress tied knot with Siddharth Roy Kapoor on 12 December 2012. This couple is married for last 7 years but don't have any kid yet. John Abraham and Priya Ranchal. This couple has decided not to become parents now. John and his US-based girlfriend Priya Ranchal have been together for last 6 years. John himself confessed that they don't have any plan for any children now. Preeti Zinta and Jean Goodenough. Preeti and her secret boyfriend Jean Goodenough tied knot on 29 February 2016. 45 years old actress Preeti still has no plan of having kids. Aftab Shivdasani and Nin Dosanjh. Lost actor Aftab tied knot secretly with his girlfriend Nin Dosanjh in 2014. They have already completed 6 years of their wedlock, but this couple decided not to have kids now. Urmila Matondkar and Mohsin Akhtar Mir. Urmila had a late marriage with her Muslim boyfriend Mohsin Akhtar Mir in 2016. This lovey-dovey couple is still enjoying their honeymoon phase even after completing 4 years of their conjugal life. Anupam Kher and Kiran Kher. Kiran Kher got married with Anupam Kher for the second time, and from her first marriage, she has her son Sikandar Kher. This happy couple has been together for last 34 years and they chose not to have kids by their own. Anurag Kashyap and Kalki Kekla. This ex-couple of Bollywood got separated after 2 years of their marriage. They decided not to become parents during their married life. Kamal Hassan and Gautami. Kamal and Gautami were in live-in relationship for 13 years and they never got married during this time. This couple decided not to have kids during their relationship. Javed Akhtar and Shabana Azmi. Legendary lyricist Javed Akhtar got married for the second time with Shabana ji, and this couple doesn't have any child by their own. Salim Khan and Helen. Iconic dancing queen Helen happily accepted Salim Khan's family and his 4 kids from his first marriage. This happy couple decided not to have kids. Dilip Kumar and Saira Banu. This iconic Bollywood jodi Dilip Kumar and Saira Banu have been married since 1966 and they don't have any child by their own.